Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to open TikTok while using other apps. With the picture-in-picture feature, you can enjoy TikTok videos without interrupting your multitasking. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Go to a TikTok video that you want to watch while using other apps. Step 3. Tap and hold on the video. As you do so, slide your finger across the screen until you see the option Picture-in-Picture. Tap on it. If it's your first time using the picture-in-picture feature, you may need to grant TikTok permission to display over other apps. To do this, follow the on-screen instructions and allow TikTok to display over other apps from the permissions menu. Now, you can enjoy watching TikTok videos while simultaneously using other apps on your device. This way, you won't miss out on any entertaining content while staying productive or engaged with other tasks. It's important to note that the availability of the picture-in-picture feature may vary depending on your device and TikTok app version. Make sure you have the latest version of TikTok installed on your device to access this feature. Thank you for watching and enjoy multitasking with TikTok.